Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app and now we have to make sure that we will be on the video mode. So let's tap on the video right here, and since it is on this position we can take a look at this option bar right here. On the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let me tap on it and as you can see here we've got some options to choose from. We can set Okay, so it will disappear very fastly. We've got the UHD, FHD and HD options, and actually all of them without HD are divided into another frames per second. So for example, we've got the UHD and 60 and 30 frames per second. So of course it's up to you which option you like to use. What's more, in FHD we've got not only 60 and 30 frames per second, but we've got also the automatic, the auto mode, which is right now set because we can see it right here. So let me change the resolution and let me pick, for example, the UHD 60 frames per second, and all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so it means that from now on you will record videos in chosen resolution, in chosen quality. Of course you can change it, for example, to HD with 30 frames per second. It's really up to you which option you'd like to apply. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.